Hello everyone, welcome back to Now I Know. From a really long time, I wanted to make a plan with me video. The whole planning and writing in a planner is very therapeutic to me. And I thought it would be a great idea to share it with you guys how I do my month and day planning. So let's begin. So the planner that I have for this year has a review sheet in the end of every month. I feel it really helps me analyze what all went well and where and all I can improve for every month. So I have some improvement throughout the year. Doing this exercise even helps me realize things that otherwise I would not pay attention to. Once I fill it in, I just like to add some stickers and colors. It just makes me happy. Now, every month I try to tell myself something that I need to hear for that particular month. Every month I might have a different state of mind. So, these are not particular quotes that I write. I just write something that is related to me for that particular month. It's really amazing to look back and see what my journey has been throughout the year. The planner that I'm following has this interesting idea of having three main goals of the month. So I know when I'm planning what I have to accomplish for that particular month. This is followed by the tasks that I need to complete in order to achieve these goals. So I just write down everything that I want to get done for this particular month. Now, this planner also has a section where it says people to see and places to go for every month. From the month of April, these two sections go actually empty for me. It makes me a little sad. But, anyways, there's also a thing for a not to do column, which is a great reminder for me, for myself, if I have been making some mistake or there's some bad habit or something that I want to let go of or I don't want to do it. So, that's a great reminder for myself, I feel. Then there's this monthly sheet. Now this I will fill it out at the beginning, but as and when the month progresses, there will be more tasks to add on. Currently, I'm taking an amazing online course for which Mondays and Thursdays we have a session. So I just color code the dates because I know Mondays and Thursday I have a class. And then on Saturdays we have a master class. For now, I know that for the 1st of the August, Saturday, we have a class, so I'll just color code it. Now, the major tasks that I know for the month, I will fill all the days in this monthly sheet. And for this month, we have Raksha Bandhan, but because of the COVID situation, I will not be able to go home, so there is no traveling. This way, I will know what my month looks like. But as I said, as the month will go on, the tasks will get updated. Now, there's a weekly planning and a daily planning. Since August is starting in the mid of the week, the first week of August is merged with the last week of July in the previous month itself. But I'll show you an example how I plan. Most of the days I plan my day the night before. But sometimes because of some reason, if I'm not able to do so, planning of the day will be the first thing that I do in the morning. I just write down all the tasks that I need to do. Most probably, I will write the important 3 tasks or something that needs to be done at earliest or something that I tend to procrastinate. I try to finish that task first in the morning, along with all the household chores or all other works that I have to do. This planner has a section where at the end of a week, I get to reflect on how my week went and what were my 3 achievements, 3 learnings, and what I'm grateful for that particular week. And I feel this is an amazing way to keep a track of self progress. There is also this habit tracker. Now, I don't have many habits to follow currently. I'm keeping it pretty simple. My health currently is my priority. So, yoga and healthy eating is something I am trying to follow every day. Also, there is a skincare routine, nothing fancy, just simple for my acne, and reading at least for half an hour every day. So that's it. This is how I plan my month and my day. Do let me know in the comments if you guys also love to plan. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video. That's all for now. I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye.